Man, who don't love a good pot of greens? Hey, this is a easy, simple way of cooking greens in the Instant Pot, less than an hour. Stick by it, let me show you. All right, we have our Instant Pot here. In that pot, we're gonna put some smoked turkey necks. Whatever smoked meat you like, your choice. Pigtails, wings, whatever. Something smoked. With that, we're gonna do some chicken stock. Chicken stock definitely elevates, add more flavor profile. Or you can do water if chicken stock isn't your style. Pressurize 50 minutes. Oh yeah, getting ready. Should come out like this. Good and tender. Afterwards, let's add those greens to that pot. Stuff it in there, stuff it in there. They're gonna definitely reduce during the process of pressurize. Ingredients: onion, pepper. I'm using I think Sylvia's soulful seasoning, but a seasoning salt. After that, we're gonna do garlic powder. We're gonna do onion powder. Real simple ingredients, guys. After that, about a cap full of apple cider vinegar. Pressurize. 12 minutes. Should come out like this. Break up that meat, get it in there, and we're done. Let me know how you guys like this. Give it a try. I'm pretty sure you guys gonna enjoy it. Again, real simple, easy method of getting really good greens. Y'all have a good one.